January 8th, 2026. It's a beautiful winter's day in northern Canada. Minus 11 degrees, but little wind. I took the Canada Niska 1 and headed out to do a battery performance test flight. I was in the field for several hours. My car battery didn't survive. My cell phone battery didn't survive. But after a more than 1 hour flight, only 25% of the solid-state lithium battery in the Niska was used. I'm amazed and very happy with the result. Minus 11 degrees might sound cold to you, but to us, it's a warm winter day, perfect for flying. Please enjoy the beautiful flight.
I love to mess around with the electronics. I love to write some new codes. After all, autopilot is the magic. I love to fly my planes. Hear the sound of the motors roaring. Watch them diving into the valleys. Climbing up to the top of the mountains. Zooming through the colorful sunset. Then once I hit return to launch, they just come home like a good kid. It's just so much fun. So come play with me. Demon of Aussie planes. I love to make balsa wood models. I love to mess around with the electronics. I love to write some new codes. After all, autopilot is the magic. I love to fly my planes. Hear the sound of the motors roaring. Watch them diving into the valleys. Climbing up to the top of the mountains.
If you like this video, please click the like button. Please consider subscribing so you don't miss any interesting videos in the future. And please share this video with others. It's really important. It helps me to keep this channel going. I'm recording this video on the traditional homeland of the Métis people of Alberta, the Inuit, and the ancestral territory of the Cree, Dene, Anishinaabe, Blackfoot, Saulteaux, and the Nakota Sioux since time immemorial. The word Niska is the Cree word for goose. Thank you. Canada Niska VTOL.